Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. I went to helpsysource.com. I'm going to link them below in the comments, so if you want to go check them out, you can. Today is strictly just the unboxing of what I got. I just want to go through it quickly. There's 40 pieces in this box. I did spend $90 US for it. I'm going to get into the math a little bit at the end, but then I'm also going to upload a video on Saturday, and I'm going to go through exactly what I got, sizes, everything, do the comps, and then break down the cost of everything, okay? But I wanted to do the unboxing because I was really excited to get it. So, X-Acto knife. Be careful because it's clothing, right? Okay. And then this side. Lift it up so I don't get the clothing. Okay. Put that back. Now I'm just going to put this so that, perfect. I'm so excited! Okay. First things first. These are a pair, oops. They had this on it. I don't know what that means, but pair of shorts. XL, so I'm happy with that. Okay. So like I said, these are just the Helpsy source labels. That's what they are. I'm just going through it quickly, so I won't be looking for flaws and anything like that. This is a 40-piece thing. It's Reebok. I did get the Reebok box because I like Reeboks. It's kind of a middling brand. I also didn't want to spend like $300 on a box and have it be whatever. I want to just sort of source them out a little bit first. So $90, all Reebok pieces. Yeah, that's all I was going to say. I got excited about opening it. So we have another pair. Oh, I like these ones actually. Nice pair of little shorts. They're an extra large too. Okay, that's awesome. So it looks like I'm getting lots of shorts. That's at the top anyway. These are another pair of shorts. Size, they might be mediums. Another short. So far everything looks, knock on wood, good. This is a top, I believe. And their sticker is over the size. This is a large. So it's a nice long sleeve top with that. So they do say that maybe expect about 15% of the items to be heavily flawed. So that means 6 out of this box. Otherwise, contact them and figure it out. So we'll see. So far, so good. I mean, it's a very quick look, so you don't know. I don't know. So this is a small, but it is a long sleeve top, which is nice. Okay, great. And size medium. I think these are pants. These are little capris. If you hear the little scuffling, that is Fernando playing with a piece of paper, because that is what he does. Oh, so this is a small. So this goes with the shirt. So that's cool. That's a set. That's even better. That will bring up the price, I think. These, oh my gosh, new with tags. That's awesome. These are small, but they're a longer pant. And they're new with tags. So I wasn't expecting that. So I'm very happy with that. Just a nice pair of leggings. I'm so excited. Paul's sitting beside me going, I don't know about this woman. She's interesting. So just a tank, an extra small. So I don't mind getting a few smalls, absolutely, because you know what? Small people like to wear clothing too. Size large. These are leggings. Okay, like I said, I'm not going to be seeing any flaws. I might pick it up later and go, oh, there is something, but I'll talk about that on Saturday. Pair of shorts. This pair of shorts, size small, but that's okay. They look like a bit bigger than a small. Okay, that's good so far. A pair of medium shorts. When I was looking through the Helpsy Source's site, making my decisions, I decided that an activewear box would be really good because coming up into New Year, people are going to be wanting these things. So I thought I will take my chances with that. So this is a jacket. It's one of those little rain jackets. Where's the sleeve? There it is. Very lightweight. Maybe for running. That's cool. Okay, we have another pair of shorts. Lots of shorts. Lots and lots of shorts. Small, I think that says. Nice. Okay. Oh, we got our first bra. Okay, where are you? Will be okay. So just a sport bra. I don't think it's a very big size. I don't see a size. Okay, I don't see a size on that one. It looks fairly small, but that's okay. Okay, I'm losing my little tags here. I'm trying to get the sizes for you guys. So that's an extra small, but nice little top. All workout gear. Oh, this is an extra small, but again, looks a little bit bigger, so that's okay. So far, not seeing anything majorly flawed here, which is good. Oh, a nice hoodie. That's okay. Okay, can't quite see the size on that one. These are used. This was supposed to be a used box. So this again is a small. But I'm liking to get, you know, the pants and the jackets I think are going to go for a little bit more than the shorts. This is a 1X. Yay! Nice V-neck t-shirt to work out in. I will not try it on. I will not try it on. This is another t-shirt, size medium. When I finish the box, I'll go through and count to make sure that we did get the right number. So this is a large long sleeve. Oh, I like that one. That's a good one. Another pair of pants. And let's see. I don't know what size. Oh, no. No, I'll find out later, but just a nice pair of pants, long leggings. That's good. It's a never-ending box. Size medium t-shirt. Okay, cool. These, another pair of pants, I think. Okay. This is a size medium. Oh, pair of pants. All right. Those look all right too. Guess it's the pant part of the demonstration. Another pair of pants, size small. Okay. Medium t-shirt. Everything looks like, I haven't really looked closely, but it doesn't smell bad. It smells pretty good. Like, it doesn't smell used, if you know what I mean. So this is a hoodie, size small, a nice little hoodie. Glad to see hoodies and pants. That's good. Another pair of pants. Medium. Funky things. Cool. T-shirt extra small. Can I list the extra smalls as children's wear, or do people that have children know that they can wear extra smalls if they're certain, you know, size? Pair of pants, leggings, good. Looks pretty good to me so far. Size small t-shirt again. That's okay. I've got a kitten eating my foot at the moment. Another new with tags, large Reebok t-shirt. So I got 2 new with tags items. That's excellent. Pair of leggings, size small, but they've got the nice little detail on the ends. Okay. Size small jacket. Quarter zip, no, full zip jacket. Size small, that's alright. We're getting to the end here. Medium shorts with pockets. Pants, I think these are pants. Size medium. Pants, cool. Another bra, cool. This one gonna have a size on it. Hang on, because I see a tag. I cannot read that tag very well. This is a bigger one though, so maybe a large. Again, I'm going to look more closely at it when I'm done. So that's it, box is empty. And it ends with a pair of leggings, size extra large. Oh, these are nice leggings. Got the side pockets. Okay, so let's just first make sure I got 40 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is scintillating, right? What is that, 15? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Whew. So yes, there was 40 in there. Oh, it's even got like handles. Cool. Anyway, so 40 items, 2 new with tags. I was really impressed with that. Whew. So my job now is to separate them into sizes and types. So, you know, bras, tops, pants, shorts, and jackets or sweatshirt type things. And I'm going to do a list to see how many of this size I got, how many of that size I got, just to see. I did get some smalls and some extra smalls, but I also got some larges, and I got it 1X. I'm really happy with that. Then I'm going to do the comps on these and figure out how to get them listed and everything else. So, not tomorrow, but on Saturday, I will upload a video talking exactly how much it cost me to buy. So it was $90 US, plus shipping to my ship place in New York, because I am Canadian. To get it to be shipped here to Canada would have been over $600. Don't ask me why, it's just the way it goes sometimes. I use a cross-border shipper to bring things in, so I was sent this to Shippsy. So in total, it cost me $109, just over, to get it shipped there. So I am actually happy with that. It cost me another just under $36 to get it shipped to my cross-border shipper here in London that we go to Monday and Thursdays. And it honestly did not take that long. I think in total, from the time I actually ordered to when I could pick it up, being in Canada, was maybe 2 weeks. So I'm really happy with that. But like I said, I will upload a video going through the comps, going through what I hope to make on all of this stuff. And my initial reaction is I'm really, really happy with this box. Now, I went through their website and I looked at the reviews, and this is one of the boxes that had the best reviews, so I did want to sort of take that into consideration. And like I said, I didn't want to invest, you know, 200 USD to get a box that I wasn't happy with. But so far, really happy with this one. I'm excited. I think that these items will sell. They might take a little bit longer because of the size, but I do believe I will definitely make profit on this box 100%. So I'm excited. Like, so, I'll put helpsysource.com if you want to go check it out. I am not an affiliate. I just did this on my own. We'll see what happens, okay? So, I'll be back on Saturday, and I'll give you the breakdown of everything. Everybody have a fantastic Thursday, and I'll see you then. Bye!